so far. We had up and downs for sure, but it's nice to see because we as team are also new at the GT4 series, and to see how driver and team is learning together.
They are fair with everything, which is an important thing in motorsport, so it's a good platform for the young kids to come in. So yeah, the communication works really well with them.
The guys are doing a really good job. If they have to say something, they're going to tell you, they're going to push you to the limit. I think that's great motivation.
Racing is, for me, is like passion. I started when I was young, when I was 6. From beginning, it was my passion. Motorsport has my heart.
I mean, I love racing. It's something different. When you are in the car, it's you and the machine.
The 2023 season in the SRS GT4 European Series is over, and it was our very first year in this competitive championship. We were running 2 Porsche 718 Cayman GT4 RS with 4 young, talented Silver Cup drivers. We scored points from the second weekend in Paul Ricard onwards. We got 4th in a really tricky race in Spa-Francorchamps with more than 60 cars. We became best rookies, also best Porsche several times.
I'm looking forward, thinking we can take a good result for team and also for us, like a driver.
We had our first front row grid in Hockenheim. We are happy and looking forward to 2024.
It's tough to explain what the feelings are when you are inside the car and you are racing. Because of course, to be in a racetrack it's good, but when you are in a race, it's something different. So it feels amazing. It's my first time in Hockenheimring. I only did like 3-4 laps in the past. Of course, that's nothing. Main thing I'm going to focus is to try to overtake like 3-4 cars at the beginning at least. Then try to stay calm with the tires. I will see if the race, if I have guys in front of me with bad pace, I will try to overtake them. If not, I will try to stay calm and try to put the tires in good temperature to don't give the Ricardo a very hard tires to drive.
2024 we will have 2 brand new Porsche Cayman GT4 RS, and besides the GT4 European Series we are also looking into GT4 Germany. We are looking for young talented drivers, but also amateur drivers. Everyone is welcome at Sorg Rennsport.
But I'm really happy for the team. It's the first year in GT4 European. The teams here are doing GT4 European for 3-4 seasons. They're doing GT4 Germany European. We are the only team which only do 1 championship, and it's still the first year. So I think we did an amazing job, and yeah, really happy. Compared to yesterday, it was important to show that we are there today, and I think we did that.
From SRS Team Sorg Rennsport.